Hello friends! In this video, I am going to review the top 5 best autofocus cameras just for you. Here I have tested 5 different best autofocus cameras to see which one offers value for your money. If you were looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here is a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled the list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So, let's get started.
Product number 1. 4K digital camera for photography, autofocus. This 4K digital camera stands out as a great entry-level choice for anyone who wants crisp autofocus and a compact, lightweight body. Its highlight is the fast AF system, which locks onto subjects quickly, even in inconsistent lighting, making it ideal for outdoor scenes, moving subjects, and spontaneous moments. The 4K video capture is clean, offering impressive detail for beginners exploring filmmaking or vlogging. The ergonomic design keeps it comfortable during long shooting sessions, and the intuitive menu layout helps new users learn quickly. While it may not offer higher-end features like interchangeable lenses or log profiles, its price makes it an excellent value for everyday creators. Battery life is fair, though carrying a spare is highly recommended. Overall, this is a dependable choice for someone who wants strong autofocus and 4K clarity without diving into complex professional setups.
Product number 2. Digital camera. 4K 64-megapixel cameras for photography. This 4K 64-megapixel camera delivers standout image quality thanks to its high-resolution sensor, which captures fine details and vibrant colors ideal for landscapes, portraits, and close-ups. The autofocus is both responsive and accurate, offering smooth tracking for both photo and video modes. The camera's robust 64-megapixel stills make it particularly appealing for large prints or post-edit flexibility. It also includes user-friendly settings, including scene modes and built-in stabilization, making handheld shooting much easier. The build quality feels solid for its price range, and its lightweight design keeps it travel-friendly. Low-light performance is decent, though not as strong as larger sensor cameras, but still impressive for this level. For users prioritizing detail-rich photography without spending on premium mirrorless systems, this model offers exceptional value and versatility, ideal for bloggers, hobbyists, or buyers upgrading from smartphone photography.
Product number 3. 5K digital camera, Wi-Fi autofocus vlogging camera. This 5K Wi-Fi autofocus vlogging camera caters perfectly to creators who want high-resolution video and effortless connectivity. The jump to 5K gives noticeably sharper footage, ideal for cinematic YouTube content or capturing action with room to crop during editing. Its autofocus system is fast, reliable, and capable of tracking faces without hesitation, critical for solo vloggers. Built-in Wi-Fi makes transferring media simple, allowing real-time sharing and remote control from your phone. The camera's compact build makes it easy to carry, while the articulating screen is a huge plus for framing yourself. Audio input support further enhances vlogging capabilities. While the battery life and low-light performance are average, its overall feature set makes it excellent for creators wanting 5K clarity without the price of advanced mirrorless systems. For vlogging, travel, and high-resolution content creation, this model is a strong, affordable choice.
Product number 4 is the 4K digital camera for photography with Wi-Fi 64-megapixel autofocus vlogging camera. This 4K plus 64-megapixel camera strikes a balance between photo resolution and vlogging performance. The 64-megapixel sensor produces crisp, colorful photos, making it suitable for portraits, nature photography, and social content. Its 4K video mode pairs well with smooth autofocus, allowing you to film confidently without worrying about soft footage. With built-in Wi-Fi, creators can transfer files instantly or use their phone as a remote shutter, very useful for group photos or self-recording. The design feels durable despite being lightweight,
and the button layout is intuitive even for beginners. An articulating screen further enhances usability for vloggers. While it doesn't include advanced professional features, it provides an excellent blend of clarity, portability, and smart connectivity at a friendly price. This camera is ideal for beginners or intermediate creators who want high-quality output without a steep learning curve.
Product number 5. 4K digital camera for photography, autofocus vlogging camera. Designed for both photography and vlogging, this 4K autofocus vlogging camera offers dependable performance in a compact package. The autofocus system is quick and consistent, easily locking onto faces or subjects in motion, making it great for daily content creation or family photography. The 4K video delivers good sharpness and color, and the camera's stabilization helps reduce shake during handheld recording. Its foldable or rotatable screen supports self-filming, an essential feature for vloggers. The camera body is lightweight yet feels sturdy enough for regular use, and the menu is simple, allowing new users to start shooting immediately. Battery life is decent, and the inclusion of external microphone support enhances audio quality for more polished videos. While it's not meant for professional cinematography, its affordability and balanced features make it a reliable choice for beginners and casual creators seeking easy, high-quality results.